All right, here's the culprit, or the imposter. My brother's 4 separate pieces for my guide rail. And then of course the upper bolt is kind of getting shredded too, so we got that nice part right there. I done checked the size of the chain. I put it up into the new one. The length is just about spot on, so it doesn't seem like it's stretched, which makes kind of sense because it's barely over 100,000 miles. But we got a plastic guide in the engine that broke. Who could have seen that happen? Alright, I say 4 pieces, but that's the only pieces that I could actually dig out. This part of the guide, you're supposed to go around the chain and then goes all the way up. At least up for, you know, a good bit. But, couldn't find that. So it's probably somewhere in the oil pan, is my best guess. Am I gonna drop it in check? So, the timing chain kit that I got, you know, came with an upper guide rail, and it didn't have the actual cutout for the variable valve solenoids. You know, they're supposed to go into a little groove right here, but this kit just didn't have that. It's just flat right across, so I can't use this upper guide. Luckily, my guide was intact, so that's cool. I could just reuse the old one, but that really sucks. That's a waste of money. And then the brand new what is this, the fucking tensioner for the balance shaft chain. Yeah, this shit, I mean, it just gets caught, you know. I released it and then it would just kind of get stuck in the lowest position. It didn't actually give me any tension. Luckily, my old tensioner was okay and I could reuse that. This tensioner was literally just too fucking big. That pissed me off. I couldn't get it in there. Right here, this part. It's too wide. I don't know how. I couldn't find my fucking calipers either. I couldn't measure exactly how wide it is, but it didn't fit in the gap. So I had to reuse my old fucking tensioner once again, which luckily wasn't the problem. That fucker is. But you know, whatever.